Did you know that a single fish can cost more than a luxury mansion in Beverly Hills? Welcome to the high-stakes world of the bluefin tuna. In the prestigious fish markets of Japan, a single, perfectly graded bluefin tuna was once sold at auction for an absolute record of over $3 million. That is not a typo. $3 million for one fish. But why do top-tier sushi masters, luxury restaurants, and billionaires around the world willingly pay these outrageous prices? The answer lies in a fascinating mix of extreme market scarcity, flawless handling logistics, and an uncompromising standard of luxury. First, let us talk about the ultimate driver of price: supply and demand. You cannot just go out to the ocean, catch a nap, and bring home a massive bluefin tuna whenever you want. The global market is controlled by extremely strict quotas and international regulations. Every single year, only a very limited number of these giant fish are allowed to be caught globally. This artificial and natural scarcity means that every time a massive bluefin is brought to the dock, buyers already know they are looking at a highly limited commodity. The global demand from premium omakase restaurants in New York, Dubai, London, and Tokyo is always sky high, but the supply is strictly capped. This fierce competition automatically turns this fish into an exclusive asset, much like a rare diamond. But rarity is only the beginning. The real reason a bluefin tuna becomes a $1 million prize is the extreme care taken the second it leaves the water. The handling process is a masterclass in precision. When fishermen secure a premium tuna, they must act with lightning speed. If the fish struggles too much, the stress instantly ruins the texture and flavor of the meat, drastically dropping its market value. Therefore, the fishermen use highly specialized, calm techniques to secure the catch. Within mere minutes, the fish is completely clean and packed in massive amounts of crushed ice. The goal is pristine perfection. A single scratch, a minor bruise, or a slight delay in temperature control can cost the fishermen tens of thousands of dollars in profit. Once the fish is secured, it enters an industrial cold chain that is straight out of a sci-fi movie. To transport a massive bluefin across the world without losing a single drop of quality, regular freezing is not enough. The fish is subjected to an extreme flash freezing process at a staggering -60 degrees Celsius. At this specific temperature, the degradation process completely stops. The meat is locked in time. It is then transported globally in specialized super freezer containers. The logistics alone, flying a massive, frozen solid fish from the middle of the ocean to a busy auction floor in Tokyo within hours, require millions of dollars in infrastructure, heavily adding to the final price tag. Now we enter the main event, the famous Japanese fish auctions. This is where the magic and the money really happens. Before the sun even rises, elite buyers and middlemen walk through rows of frozen, giant tunas laid perfectly on the floor. This is not a normal market, it is an exclusive club. Buyers use flashlights to examine the tail end of the fish, which has been specially cut open to reveal the cross-section of the meat. They are looking for the holy grail, the perfect fat content, the ultimate color, and the flawless texture. They don't just look, they rub the meat between their fingers to feel the oil. When the auction starts, it is entirely conducted in secret hand signals and rapid chanting. The prestige of winning the highest quality fish on the first day of the New Year auction is a massive marketing tool for sushi restaurant owners, driving the bidding war into the millions. Finally, the price is justified on the cutting board. When a master chef slices into a premium bluefin, they are dealing with the most luxurious ingredient in the culinary world. The fish is divided into strict categories. The red meat, called akami, is lean and deeply flavorful. But the true prize is the belly, known as otoro. The otoro is packed with intense, intricate fat marbling that looks exactly like premium Wagyu beef. Because of this extreme fat content, the otoro literally melts the second it touches your tongue, delivering a rich, buttery, umami explosion that no other food on earth can replicate. When you pay hundreds of dollars for a single bite of bluefin tuna sushi, you are not just buying food. You are paying for the strict quotas, the extreme logistics, the auction battles, and the masterful knife skills of the chef. So the next time you see a tiny piece of premium tuna on a luxury menu, you know exactly why it costs a fortune. It is a masterpiece of the global market. Would you spend thousands of dollars just to taste this ultimate luxury? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next fascinating video.